Isa pang kumpanyang dayuhan na nagpasok ng $100 million na investment sa bansa. Ang kumpanya na nagbigay ng dagdag na trabaho para sa mga Pilipino ay pinasinayaan ni Pangulong Aquino sa First Philippine Industrial Park sa Batangas. May report si Elena Luna.
Kinilala ni Pangulong Aquino ang pag-angat ng galing at husay ng manggagawang Pilipino sa larangan ng manufacturing sa kanyang pagdalo sa pagbubukas ng BE Aerospace Incorporated sa First Philippine Industrial Park sa Tanawan City, Batangas. Ang BE Aerospace ay kilalang manufacturer ng mga produktong inilalagay sa mga passenger cabin ng mga eroplano.
This is proof positive that we are truly becoming increasingly competitive. No wonder the World Economic Forum has bumped us up 20 places in their competitiveness indices over the past 2 years. Perception indeed is becoming reality. This is also an important project because it marks a new kind of manufacturing. We are moving up the value chain. And today marks the foothold we have secured in the aerospace supplies sector. Now, not too long ago, making electric fans was like the extent of manufacturing in this country. And then we lost out to other countries who could do it more efficiently. Now we are indeed moving up the value chain.
Ang planta sa Batangas ang kauna-unahan nitong facility sa labas ng Europa at Amerika. Mula sa 6 na bansa sa Asia, Pilipinas ang kanilang pinili.
We evaluated 6 other sites and we found this to be the best in terms of the quality of the workforce, the openness, the lack of corruption, the support of all of the infrastructure in here. So we are enthusiastic, we're excited. We believe that we'll be able to do an outstanding job for our customer, our major customer Airbus, and for the airlines globally.
This workforce is very, very well educated. It's a very large labor pool, so if we need people, we can easily find them. They are very hungry for success. They speak very well English, so these values go very well with us, and I would like to tell you, Mr. President, you did a great job actually in investing in this labor pool and making it ready for us as businesses and entrepreneurs.
Nagkakahalaga ng $100 milyong ang investment ng aerospace sa planta dito sa Batangas. Katumbas nito, trabaho sa mga Pilipino at paglago ng negosyo.
Presently, we have about 200 people. We will go to 500, and in 3 years, we have about 1,000 people on this site. Presently, we have about 23,000 square meters of facility, and we will grow that to about 32,000. And we will make an investment of about 100 million for this site alone.
Events like these are road signs along the path to progress. They tell us that we are going in the right direction, that the world is beginning to acknowledge the long overlooked talent of the Filipino worker. Each inauguration I attend means hundreds, if not thousands, of new jobs. Each event propels our economy upwards. Each one is a vote of confidence in our country.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna, Tanawan, Batangas.